Hi boys and girls. So today we're doing lesson 11-4, modeling subtraction of fractions. Okay, so we did adding, now we're going to do subtraction. So it says Mr. Y uses 4/6 of a sheet of plywood to board up a window. How much plywood is left? Okay, remember when we see the word left, this is a key word that we are going to subtract. So you're probably thinking, okay, well, I only have one fraction. What am I supposed to subtract? Okay, well, he uses a sheet of plywood. Okay, so for example, if I draw a picture, this is my plywood. Okay, this is my sheet of plywood. This is one whole. Okay, my plywood is one whole. And since my fraction over here is 4/6, I know that one whole here is going to be 6/6. Okay, I'm just copying what my denominator says. So whenever you have two numbers that are the same over each other, this means one whole. Okay, so 6/6, same thing as one whole. So he has one plywood, a whole plywood, and he uses, so I'm going to put subtraction sign, he uses 4/6. Okay, if I decompose that, that's just 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Okay, if I add, remember, if I add all those, the denominator 6 stays the same. I add my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get 4. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract. When I subtract, the same thing as adding, my denominator, the 6, will stay the same. I'm just going to move it to the side, put my fraction bar, and I'm going to do 6 minus 4, which is 2, okay? So I have 2/6, but I'm not done yet. I can still reduce this fraction. I can put it in its simplest form, okay? I can make this fraction smaller, okay? So if I get my chart, it's right here. If I get my chart, I need to see what I can divide both 2 and 6 by. So put it here, put 2/6, put my 2 here, 6 here, 2 here, 6 here. Two numbers that I can multiply together to get 2 are 1 times 2, and that is it. Two numbers I can multiply together to get 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, okay? Put their numbers in the circle. So I have 1, 2, I'm going to put 1, 2. Here I have 1, 6, 2, 3. The numbers they have in common are 1, put it in the middle, 2, put it in the middle, okay? So I know, so now I have to look, what's the biggest number they have in common? That's my 2. So I'm going to go back to my fraction, and I know that I can divide both numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So my real answer is 1/3. Remember, you have to simplify your fraction. You have to make it smaller, okay? 1/3 is your answer.